Tell me how to run proper PPC on new launch, like campaign structure, number of campaigns, budgets. So this is highly dependent on what is your overall budget when it comes down to the product, how many products you're advertising, and then also what is the outcome that you're looking for. Because if you want to, you can start the one campaign, and if you have, let's say, $30 per day budget, you're going to create a different amount of number of campaigns than if you have $10,000, for example, right? So that's going to be highly dependent. And then the second thing, there's no like, hey, this is how to do it exactly, rather than how much it would cost you if you find the highest relevant keyword for your product, and then you're going to run advertising on that in exact match, and then you're going to understand in exact match it costs you $10 one click, and maybe it takes $100 for you to convert with that one click, so 10% conversion rate. Then you're going to notice, okay, it takes me 10 clicks, so I have to pay $100 in order to make one sale. But what happens if your product is $20 only, So that's why I'm saying that most of the time it really depends on what are you selling, so the category that you're in, because based on that it's going to be how competitive is the bidding and the CPCs are for the specific category. Supplements, beauty, baby, those are highly expensive when it comes down to CPC. So in those scenarios, I would advise you to just zoom out for clarity and understand, okay, what is realistically my budget, and then how much would it cost me to run ads in exact matches for 5 of my top highest relevant keyword that are at least 3 to 4 words, so they're not like, if you're selling a bag, it's not just bag, it's like a women's sports bag or something like that, something that's more relevant to your product rather than just a bag, Once that you figure that out, then you're going to see, okay, so I'm selling 5 products. Between the 5 products, how I'm going to invest the budget. And it might be that first you're going to start just with the one product, see how it works, and then you're going to go to the next product as well. So when it comes down to how to run proper PPC on new launch, like campaign structure, number of campaigns, budgets, it's highly dependent on how much, first off, are you willing to invest when it comes down to ads? And then 2, how much does it take you to invest? And then 3, how many products are you going to advertise?